third one is an interesting one. I call it AI algorithms unite. And what I mean by that is that over the course of 23 and since the launch of ChatGPT, everyone has been talking about generative AI. But generally what they're doing is talking about generative AI is in terms of leveraging tools like OpenAI and Bard and other platforms to, in essence, improve certain things. Improve an article I'm going to write, a speech I'm going to give, a recipe I'm going to create for my family. And so these large language models and these multi-use case environments have democratized access to AI for a large segment of the population. You don't have to be a data scientist to bring that to life. But really what's going to happen over the course of 2024, I think organizations, government, private sector, are going to combine, kind of generative AI with existing advanced analytics, machine learning, other methods, and their data sets to create unique use cases that are going to improve the efficiency of those businesses and help them grow faster. One example is Agent Assist. So with Agent Assist, what you can do is, for example, if you're calling in and I'm planning an itinerary for you, I can ask AI to help me with that travel itinerary, and it can be generated in a very, very quick period of time. And all the things I would otherwise do, like book a restaurant, book the hotel, book my flights, book the excursions, book the transfers, all that takes a lot of human time to do right now. But with a combination of internal data sets and generative AI, what I can do is I can dramatically speed up the ability to create those type of travel itineraries. Softline organizations like Saks Fifth Avenue and others will be able to create experiences and specific curated clothing for you in a very fast way. And the key there is it's not going to replace the human, but what it'll do is it'll combine all the internal data with everything we've seen in the last year from generative AI to solve unique use cases and dramatically improve experience and efficiency in the business. Another great example is you're seeing in the healthcare space, oncologists start to say, hey, can I let AI do a double check on my review of a chart, for example? And the AI will read it and it may have an anomaly versus what the doctor recommended. Doctor will review that with you and say, hey, AI is right, or, really want to stick with our recommendation. So I think AI algorithms will unite, and there'll be really impressive use cases in organizations that take advantage of all the data and algorithmic work that has happened over the 10 years with a cherry on top with generative AI.